Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya. Ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore. Ka khot admission nagamta ka nursing but paramedical course. Ka bala ithu da ka Indian Nursing Council. Ka buy admission ka badunatam. But she's pa percent ka jinyokam. Pila ru ban apply da ka education loan.
Menteri Sorkar Jilla Obakmi Yakatanat Pule Puthi Urakam E Stangma Hakar Pulai Trik Ujulio Arajar Apusan Uliatho Bekidan Bon Gidao Kiba Pynhiar Kyrdan Jilla Meghalaya Haka Performance Grading Index Haka Kyrdan Bekilat Patai Kubor Urakam Mulong Bagi Patba Ki Hapan Sngoto Bakajing Hia Kyrdan Jang Meghalaya Haka Performance Grading Index Kadena Mar Kajing E Ben Ki Sorkar Barim Yaki School Haki Arpo Balai Postnam Balalait No Ulo ru dated on dala shimti ke Sorkar MDA umidirang ba ka Jilla Konrad ke sangma ulapai kamat kumno ban penbhai ke school pat ban kintiru ya ka Pule Puthi haga Jilla.
Politicians, some leaders criticize all this. Yeah, this may be true. Some parties used to criticize the government. Yes, they do. But the point is, this may be true and may not be true. But we have to understand first. Look, the figure reflect today. It's an outcome of the government put efforts in the last 20 30 years. Because in the last 20, 30 years, government of Meghalaya did not put any efforts to reform, to streamline the education system, to build the infrastructure, right? Completely left abandoned. In last 20, 30 years in the governance of the education department, government did not seriously considered to build the infrastructure. Completely in the mess. There is no electricity, there is no blackboard, there is no roof, there is no classroom. The building is completely dilapidated condition. No at all. There is no enrollment also. And that many teachers don't go to the schools. All this in the last 20, 30 years. These things being reflected today. Knowing of all this, Honorable Chief Minister has reviewed the all scenario of all this and reviewed and started in last 30 years. The government has started building the infrastructure of all the government's institutions. In last 2-3 years, more than 2,700 schools has been renovated, and more than 700 to 800 schools has been newly constructed. All the government's schools has been newly constructed, and we have given the toilet, we have constructing, we are giving the smart classroom, and we have all teachers is going to schools today. But this thing's figure will reflect maybe after 2 years from now. So this is what we are seeing the result today. It's about the hard work of yesterday. What our work has been done today, it will reflect tomorrow and the day after. This shows, and you will know the result what we are doing and what we have done today. So look, whoever, which party, which individual has said, criticize the government for this, you have to look back. Who was in the power for last 10, 15 years ago? You should also understand and you should also take responsibility. It is yours. It is your work that being reflected today. But what has been done today, you will see the result. Will reflect the figure tomorrow. So this is what, of course, this PJ ranking is all talk about the infrastructure, it's all about the outcome, learning outcome, talk about the equity. There are many criteria, many factors, right? So suppose in our state, we do not need electricity in the classroom, but in the ministry, being reflected, there is no electricity in the class. Look in Rajasthan. If we talk in Rajasthan, the classroom, they need a AC room. But in our state, in Shillong, neither we need fan nor we need the AC. Right? We have a good environment. But however, for the ministry, it is reflect there is no electricity like this. So, and we have in one campus there are 4 or 5 schools, categories of school: SSA, ADO, deficit, government, RMSA, and private. There are 4 or 5 categories in one campus. There are 6 schools in a campus, in the same campus, having a different UDIs. But however, practically, we are using the same library, same toilet, same classroom, same command room, same computer, same road, same power, and same playground. Or however, if it is reflect but it is in one campus. If it is reflect for one school, it will be 100% in electricity, library, computer, classroom, toilet, 100% in all. But however, this has to be reflect for the six schools. Then the figure come down. If it is six, I mean 1 divided by 6, this is only about what you call 23%. If it is if in the same category, if it is only one category of school, it will have 100% electricity, 100% the library, computer, toilet, etc. But since it is divided into 6, for the 6 different unit schools in the same campus, this has become 23%. Therefore, this figure is being reflected like this also. But however, we are going to streamline all this under the dynamic leadership of the Chief Minister. We are doing all reform. Our Chief Minister and the governance, we are all committed to bring the reform, and we are initiated, and you will see the result tomorrow and day after.
From the hills of the east, a new voice rises. Hello Meghalaya, our state's first ever OTT platform streaming stories, music and dreams. From folklore to films, beats to breakthroughs, this is where culture meets creativity. Discover award-winning talents, breakthrough creators, and untold stories that deserves to be seen. From soulful podcasts to live streams and dreamers. This is your stage, your spotlight. Hello Meghalaya. Your story starts here.